What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Dogecoin again. We still got big news going on in Dogecoin. Every day we got something good going on here. But anyways, definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. It really helps out the YouTube channel a lot too. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. Or if not, just go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. That helps a lot too. And I just want to thank everyone for supporting the channel, whether you're liking the video or just watching it or commenting anything or sending donations. Either way, it really helps the channel out a lot. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside the description and use the discount code for Marsellis for 25% off. Now, the first thing I really want to talk about here with Dogecoin is this overbought area. So look, we came over here on some bearish selling here. You can even see down here on the oscillator how we had some buying volume, but then it was just hit by bearish movement. The second we were hit by all this bearish movement, we went down here, a lot of negative selling pressure. As you can see here, all of this selling here, there was a lot of selling. But the second we had the chance of a reversal with the Vital Algo indicators, we did hit that reversal and went on an uptrend. But see, that uptrend was a little bit overbought because we almost broke out of this Fibonacci retracement level from 2450 pretty much all the way up here to about 2660, almost out of that area there. So it was a little bit overbought. So we are going down a little bit on some bearish pressure. But I do want to mention this. So the green areas, they are supply and demand, showing lots of demand for Dogecoin in these green areas. The red areas show less demand in Dogecoin. For some reason, when you look over here at the oscillator, you see there is selling pressure down here, but these are very low selling volumes, which probably ends up showing and indicating that we're probably going to go on another uptrend here. That's what the Vital Algo indicators are showing here, that we're actually going on another uptrend. So what we're going to end up doing here is retesting this resistance. And if we can break out of it, we're going to have some good stuff here in Dogecoin. But over here, you can see the market control is controlled by the bears by 60% in the last 24 hours. So you do have to remember that. And back here, you definitely see we had some pumping up here. But after a pump in Dogecoin, we always are followed by a little bit of a dump. It always happens. It never fails to impress. You always are pretty much combated with some selling pressure after huge jumps, because most people that get in Dogecoin are getting in for the get rich quick schemes, because Dogecoin's hyped up so much that everybody knows about it, including people that just want to get rich quick. Because when people tell their friends about Dogecoin, they're like, bro, people are getting rich off of this thing. Let's get in it. So then that's what the people who want to get rich quick do. They get in Dogecoin, and then the second it starts to pump, they start to sell out. That's why you see all of these selling pressures. And the whales are also doing a lot of selling too. But the whales are also buying a lot. We're going to go over a lot today. So Dogecoin price provides perfect buying opportunity for a 50% breakout. So we're actually projected to break out again by 50%, and it's never failed to impress. Every time we are projected to break out with Dogecoin, it always happens. Maybe it doesn't happen as big as people want it to happen, but it does always happen. So this next breakout will probably be above 30 cents, kind of like the one back here. So it should be above that breakout as well. We're waiting on a 40%, a 40-cent jump right here. So Dogecoin price is forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern, suggesting a 53% breakout move. So a confirmation of this upswing will arrive after Doge produces a daily close above 30 cents. That's why I'm saying 30 cents is a very significant level for Dogecoin here. All we have to do is pass it. Over here, you can see with the Vital Algo indicators, this red area right here, like I was saying, it shows less demand. But that's why we need to get past that 30-cent area, because it's huge resistance for us. We got huge resistance at 30 cents. It was hard for us to try to pass it back here. And even the second that we passed it back here, we were rejected at 34 cents. So we have some big resistance to break out from here. And like I said, Dogecoin is going to retest this. You're seeing it in real time here. Dogecoin is now retesting this resistance up here of 2660. And hopefully we can get past that and hurry up. We can get to 30 cents. So let's keep moving on here with Dogecoin though. So if selling pressure pushes the meme coin to produce a lower low below 21 cents, then it will be invalidated. But only if we go all the way down to 21 cents will it be invalidated pretty much. So yeah, Dogecoin price to trigger a massive bull rally. Dogecoin price set up 3 swing lows since August 16th, resulting in the formation of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. This technical formation contains 2 swing lows of comparable depth forming the shoulders with the central one slightly deeper than the others known as head. So connecting the peaks of these swing lows results in a neckline that serves as a resistance barrier and helps confirm a breakout. The setup forecasts a 53% breakout to 45 cents. That's definitely a significant level here, determined by adding the distance between the right shoulder's peak and the head's lowest point. So, although Dogecoin price came close to breaching the neckline on November 8th, it failed a daily close above 28 cents. However, would theoretically confirm a break in the start of a 53% upswing. So, investors should wait for a high above 30 cents for the opening up of a resistance-free path for Doge to the liquidity pool ranging from 34 cents to 37 cents. That's why I'm really, stressing this area right here that we went past all the way back here on the 28th. Like this area here, that yes, it's cool that we get past 30 cents, right? We need to get past 30 cents. We need to get past that resistance. But this is a way bigger resistance, all the way up here to 34 cents, way bigger resistance. And that's what we need to stay above. So clearing this pit stop will allow Dogecoin price to head higher and produce a swing high of around 45 cents. That's what we're trying to break. So in total, this ascent from the current position would constitute a 70% climb. Here is what they're pretty much talking about. Here's the triple top. Here's the head and shoulders pattern right here that they're talking about. And that's pretty much what we're forming here. And then over here, you got the liquidity pool. They're talking about 34 cents that we need to pass. And then this is our target price at the 44.83 area is what we have as our major resistance that we really need to get up to. But that's our target price, which will eventually lead us up to 55 cents and 61 cents. So really where we're at right now, though, you can see Dogecoin is around 26.99, 27 cents. Look, I did mention earlier, like when we started this video, that we're more than likely going to retest this resistance. The second we retested this resistance, we are now breaking out of the resistance. So it's good to see that the technicals are coming in handy and actually working. So shout out to Vato Algo, shout out to me for doing this video, shout out to everyone who's watching the video. But yeah, Dogecoin is definitely going to have to break out here because there's just, like I was saying, like you can see on the oscillator, there's low selling volume. Even though there's low selling volume, you can still see there's way more buying coming in for Dogecoin. You're about to see a reversal here inside the oscillator, and you're about to see a little bit of buying coming in. So we're having good stuff coming on here with Dogecoin. As you can see, this green supply and demand area is starting to form up here. So it's starting to invalidate this red supply and demand area and forming a green one, showing lots of demand for Dogecoin at 27 cents. So we got good news here with Dogecoin coming left and right. So while things are looking up for Dogecoin, a daily close below the 21 cent to 26 cent demand zone would invalidate the bullish thesis. This could move a potential trigger down to 19 cents for Dogecoin. So hopefully we don't go down that low. But yeah, that is major support for us if we do. But that'll just present another buying opportunity for the bulls and the whales to double down on Dogecoin to make sure they get the most profit that they can. So yeah, anyways, we are on an uptrend here, so I'm really not that worried. The oscillator is now starting to form up a green area here, showing that we have lots of demand inside Dogecoin, lots of volume coming in, lots of buying coming in. So Dogecoin price is doing well. I'm pretty happy with what I've seen here with Dogecoin. So let's move on to the next thing with Dogecoin, though. And that is this. Dogecoin to skyrocket to $1 as SpaceX confirms DOGE-1 moon mission. So I talked about this a little bit yesterday, but I'm going to talk about it more today. So Dogecoin price action continues to frustrate buyers. Doge is quite literally going to the moon. Dogecoin is now positioned for aggressive and conservative entry opportunities. So there's a lot forming up with Dogecoin, especially with the SpaceX thing. They're really starting to promote it. I mean, people are going to start FOMOing into Dogecoin any second now. And if you don't know what FOMO is fear of missing out. So that pretty much happens when a lot of people are talking about something and they're like, look, this is literally going to the moon, literally. And everything is going to be going on our side pretty much. And then what people do is they're like, oh my gosh, I don't want to miss out. And they just start throwing all their money into whatever people are talking about. That's FOMO right there. But it's the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And when people are saying, is Dogecoin dead? Dogecoin going down? Dogecoin not going to continue to prevail? That's when people start to sell out. But right now we have the FOMO cycle. So you're going to get a lot of people FOMOing into Dogecoin. So Dogecoin funds satellite to the moon. Dogecoin price action positioned for bullish entries. So Dogecoin price may get a massive spike due to some fundamental factors involving a planned satellite launch by SpaceX that will go to the moon. They said it's going to happen sometime the beginning of next year. So it's almost next year. It's about a month and a half till next year. So by itself, if it doesn't sound like a big deal, however, the big deal is this: the mission is named DOGE-1 because the project was funded entirely by Dogecoin. Adding to the importance of this event is the type of satellite, a CubeSat, which has never been launched to the moon. Therefore, DOGE-1 will likely be the first CubeSat to reach the moon, beating NASA's pretty much planned launch. So this event will likely have a strong effect on Doge price. And yes, it's gonna have the actual Doge on the Doge-1. There's gonna be an actual Dogecoin on it. So yet Dogecoin's price action remains noisy, messy, and indecisive. So point and figure charts help filter out the noise associated with the candlesticks by focusing only on price action. There is no volume or time factor in point and figure analysis, as such entry conditions are more transparent and concise. Two theoretical long trade ideas for Dogecoin price have been identified. So the hypothetical aggressive buy entry is a buy stop order on the 3-box reversal off the current O column or 0 column, currently at the 30 cents with a stop loss at 26 cents and a profit target at 66 cents. So a lot of people are looking for Dogecoin to hit 66 cents and they're making bets on this. So this entry is considered aggressive because it would be an entry on the first pullback. After Dogecoin broke below the former bull market trend line, which is the blue diagonal line that they're pretty much talking about here down here. So then you can see that this type of trade also requires active trade management because the end of the column of O's is not yet determined. And as the current O column moves lower, so does the entry and stop loss. So 4-box stop loss, but the profit target remains pretty much. And a 2 to 3-box trailing stop after Dogecoin hits 35 cents would help protect any implied profit from this trade. So they're pretty much the profit target here is 66 cents. That's what a lot of people are looking for Dogecoin to reach. I definitely believe it will reach it soon. We just got to keep pushing here with Dogecoin. I definitely believe there is a lot of potential here with Doge. But anyways, let's move on from there. So on the conservative side of the buy entry, the hypothetical trade setup for Dogecoin price is a buy stop order at 35 cents, a stop loss at 31 cents, and a profit target at 66 cents. The conservative trade idea is based on two bullish entry patterns in point and figure analysis: the break of a triple top in a bullish catapult pattern. In addition, a 2 to 3-box trailing stop after Dogecoin hits 41 cents would help protect any profit after the initial entry. So we have this idea that Dogecoin is going to get 40 cents plus, and that's what a lot of people are looking at pretty much. A lot of analysts are definitely seeing that. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. This is just what I'm seeing here. But anyways, both long trade ideas are invalidated if Dogecoin price moves below 23 cents. So that's pretty much inevitable, but I don't believe we're going to get that low to 23. And if we do, that's another buying opportunity in my personal opinion. But anyways, let's show what the whales are doing though, because the whales are making big moves in Dogecoin too. So a lot of whales are coming in and out of Dogecoin, just making short little petty money. They came, well, petty money to them, but a lot of them are losing money too. This Dogecoin whale came in earlier today, $106.7 million earlier today around 3 a.m. Sold out at 7 a.m. with $105.9 million. So yeah, this Dogecoin whale lost money. And look, if this Dogecoin whale wouldn't have been so greedy trying to day trade, and then instead of coming in like around here in the day and then selling out at a loss, they could have came in like earlier in the day, maybe around here, because like they came in right around this area here because this is 3 a.m. And then when they sold out at 7 is pretty much when they sold out at the dip. Let me actually zoom in so you guys can see this better. So look, they came in right around this area and then they sold out right around this area. So they lost out. But if they would have stayed in all the way until now, they would actually have way more profit in Dogecoin. So I could do some math for it, but we don't really need to do the math. The point is, if they would have stayed just a little bit longer, they could have sold here and ended up having profit with Dogecoin. But yeah, anyways, let's move on to the next whale and see if they did something right or wrong. So this whale came in yesterday, $71 million. They're doing the right thing. They came in yesterday with 71 million, and now they have 71.7 million. So if they sold out today, that's a whole 700K that they made in one day. So that's pretty big right there, pretty big profit. And they're still holding those coins. And I like to go over the Dogecoin whales that come in with one large time order because this shows huge and heavy demand in Dogecoin. So yesterday, this Dogecoin whale came in $47.3 million. Today, they now have $45.1 million. They still haven't sold out. So this Dogecoin whale got $2 million. That's a lot of money. They still haven't sold out. This Dogecoin whale, they did a little bit of just probably a transfer. But I see this happen a lot of times. Maybe they're trying to artificially change the 24-hour trading value to make it look like it's something that it's not, just so then they can, benefit off of it. I don't know anything. But yeah, this Dogecoin whale came out. This Dogecoin whale, though, they still are holding Dogecoin from $30.6 million yesterday to $31.4 million today. So give or take about 800K they made overnight. So yeah, there's a lot of money being made here in Dogecoin, and we can continue to rise here. We just got to keep pushing. We just got to keep it pushing. But anyways, hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation link through the donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.